Hello and welcome to Talent Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to find equation of a line when 2 points are given. In the first video we have studied that how to find equation of a line when coordinate of a point is given and a direction vector is given. And here I am showing this to you, how to find equation of a line when coordinate of a point is given and a direction vector is given. Now today we are going to discuss how to find equation of a line when 2 points are given. Like if there is a point A and the second point is B, and we want to find equation of a line passing through point A and B. So how can we determine that? Let's suppose we are taking 2 points. First point is x1, y1, z1, and second point as x2, y2 and z2. In the first video we have studied if line is passing through a point and a direction vector B is given. It may be any vector, but we have taken that as B. So how can we determine the equation? We know that equation of a line or vector equation of a line can be represented as A plus lambda B, where A is position vector of this point and B is given direction vector, and in Cartesian form we can write x minus x1 upon A equals to y minus y1 upon B equals to z minus z1 upon C. Vector equation, Cartesian equation. But here we have got only 2 points. 2 points are given. It means it is satisfying the first condition that we require a point or coordinate of a point, but we are not having direction vector. So most importantly, what we need to do, we need to find the direction vector. So we will write direction vector for AB equals to, simply in vector we have studied how can we find a vector joining 2 points. So simply we can write, here we have written vector AB, so simply what can we write? We can just subtract coordinate of point A from coordinate of point B. So x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j, z2 minus z1 k, and B, AB, vector AB can be taken as direction vector AB. So why? Because we know, we have studied in earlier classes, every line is parallel to itself. If there is a line L and there is a line M, so we can say that L is parallel to itself, M is parallel to itself, and if 2 parallel lines are given, then we know distance between those lines are, perpendicular distance between those lines are always equal. So AB can be taken as direction vector. Now what we need to do, we need to frame the equation of line passing through 2 points in vector form. So what can we write? We can write like this. Simply you can say R equals to vector A. So we can take any point, either we can take A or point B. So I am taking here A, x1i, y1j, z1k plus lambda. Lambda is any constant and vector B. So B is here AB. So we can write x2 minus x1i, y2 minus y1j, and z2 minus z1k. So this is the required equation of a line in vector form when line is passing through given two points. Again, I am making you understand that to find equation of a line in space, we require coordinate of a point and a direction vector. Direction vector is nothing but a parallel vector of two required vector, and here two points are given. So one point we can take either point, but direction vector is missing here. So how can we find direction vector? We can find direction vector by just simply subtracting coordinate of first point from coordinate of second point. So in vector form we can write x2 minus x1i, y2 minus y1j, z2 minus z1k, and we know that every line is parallel to itself. So here vector AB can be taken as vector B or direction vector. So required vector equation of line passing through 2 points could be written as x1i, y1j, z1k plus lambda into this vector, and here I need to place a bracket. Yeah. And what would be Cartesian equation? So Cartesian equation can be written as x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Why? Because here direction vector is B and direction ratios of vector B are A, B and C, and here it is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So here I am writing x2 minus x1, y minus y1 over y2 minus y1, z minus z1 over z2 minus z1. So this is the required vector form and Cartesian form. So you can copy these all. Then we are going to take an example to understand this topic practically. Now we are going to do a question based on the last concept we have studied, and here is a question. Find the equation of a line passing through points A having coordinate 3, 2, 5 and B 2, 7, 3. So here I have drawn a line passing through points A and B, and coordinate of point A is 3, 2, 5 and coordinate of point B is 2, 7, 3. What we need to do? So we need to take any point. We need to take any point. We can take any point. So here I am going to take point A as vector A, that is 3i plus 2j, and we are not going to do anything, we are not going to apply any rocket science. It is very simple that 3 coordinate of point is 3, 2, 5. So simply we are finding position vector of point A, that is 3i, 2j and 5k. Okay, and next what we need to do? We need to find a position vector, direction vector. So direction vector is very much required to determine the equation of required line. So what we need to do? Vector B equals to, we can write 2 minus 3 negative 1i, 7 minus 2 plus 5j and 3 minus 5 minus 2k. For your better understanding, I am just writing here 2 minus 3 I, 7 minus 2 j, 3 minus 5 k, and it will result as minus 1, 7 minus 2 and 3 minus 5 minus 2. So to find a direction vector or simply a vector passing through two given points, just we need to subtract coordinate of first point from coordinate of second point. So I hope that you have understood. Then required vector equation. Required vector equation of a line A plus lambda b, then what can we write? A is given here, 3i plus 2j plus 5k plus lambda into negative 1i plus 5j minus 2k. This is the required vector equation. Now required Cartesian equation of this line. So we are not going to do anything difficult. We are just need to place these points. So I am writing here x minus 3 over negative 1 equals to y minus 2 over 5 equals to 5 minus 2. So can we write it 5? So z, it's not 5, it's z minus 2. So wait, z minus 5 over minus 2. So if you want to simplify it further, so what can you write? You can write here 3 minus x upon 1 equals to y minus 2 upon 5 equals to 5 minus z upon 2. Just I have sent this negative sign to the numerator and here 2. So negative z plus 5. So I hope that you have understood how to find equation of a line passing through two given points. It's not very difficult, it's very easy, and you need to always keep one thing in your mind, that to determine equation of a line in space we require coordinate of one point, and second we require a direction vector. If these two you have, then you can easily determine either vector or Cartesian equation. Or if vector or Cartesian equations are given, then from vector to Cartesian and Cartesian to vector you can convert very easily. It's very simple, but you need to segregate the position vector and direction vector. So I hope that you have understood whatever I have tried to make you, and you have already enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, then share my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you so much.